courage, strength, discipline, and resiliency are hallmarks of Shirley's life. But her life began in a little bit unusual circumstance. She was born to fundamentalist Latter-day Saints community in Colorado City, Arizona, and Hildale, Utah. And growing up FLDS was not that easy. To the dismay of many in her society, she was outspoken. Are you outspoken? Yes, you are. And she desired education, for which we are very thankful. She extended herself and earned an associate's degree from a nearby community college before being assigned a husband. Then a few years later, with her 4 children, she did somewhat the unthinkable. She left to begin again into a world, our world, that she didn't really know at all. Shirley is described by her instructors as having steely strength, which I'm sure is absolutely true. And while the journey has been difficult, she has learned to survive and succeed. This remarkable woman says her greatest source of inspiration is her children, but she's also driven by a strong desire to help others. She hopes to become an advocate for women and children who desire to transition from FLDS communities and to make the world a better place as a social worker, to help all of those who need a voice in our life. So we are very honored tonight to introduce you to Shirley J. Draper, our 2013 Founders Day Scholar. Congratulations.
Standing